Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Scion Dashcam channel. We feature only the most epic moments scored on driver's dashcam, and this episode won't disappoint. Make sure to sit tight and enjoy. Wet roads can be dangerous, especially if you have bad tires. One driver lost control on the road, but luckily he didn't hit anyone. Reckless driver ran a red light, and unfortunately, he got caught up in a crash. Sooner or later, this type of outcome was expected.
Where are you going? Are you crossing? No. Look at this bonehead. Wow.
A road cyclist got out onto the road at his own pace, and he didn't even care about the oncoming traffic. Luckily, a crash was avoided because the camera was careful. Driver who was reversing forgot to check his rear view mirrors, and in that moment, a pedestrian was right behind him. Never allow yourself to be distracted while reversing.
Download the hRPKA app now from your favorite app store. Then search Hot 101.5.
Is she okay? Here, pull over there. Oh my gosh.
I have it on video.
Driver in a pickup truck was responsible for a crash as he rear-ended one vehicle and forced the driver to hit another car as well. Instead of pulling over and solving the issue like a true man, he fled the scene.
Sure, Mr. Cobalt driver, dude, just come right on over.
That's like just help yourself, right?
What are you?
Damn it.
So if troops are really proud of their low numbers, what an idiot.
I don't know what happened there.
No, he just said, oh shit, I got a turn here. And he wasn't in a turning lane.
With this clip, we finish off another episode on Scion Dashcam channel. I hope you liked watching this one, and if you truly enjoyed watching it, make sure to leave a like, because that motivates us to put out more fresh content for you guys. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your senses sharp.